In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish a website in Hostinger Website Builder step by step. If you've already designed your site and you're ready to make it live for the world to see, this is the final and most exciting step. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and clear way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Hostinger Website Builder. Go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Website section in your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your websites. Find the website you want to publish and click on Manage. After that, click on Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder where you've been designing your site. Now, before you publish, it's very important to double-check your design. Take a few minutes to review everything carefully. Go through each page of your website and make sure your text is correct, your images are properly aligned, and your buttons are working as expected. Click through your navigation menu to confirm that all links go to the right pages. If you have contact forms, make sure they are properly set up. This quick review helps you avoid publishing mistakes and ensures your visitors get a professional first impression. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're ready for the next step. Go to the top right corner of the Builder interface and click the Publish button. This is the button that makes your website live on the internet. When you click Publish, Hostinger will prepare your site for deployment. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the domain where you want the website to go live. If you have multiple domains connected to your Hostinger account, make sure you select the correct one. Double-check the spelling of your domain name to avoid publishing to the wrong address. Once you confirm the correct domain, proceed with the publishing process. Hostinger will now publish your website. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once the process is complete, your site will officially be live on the internet. Now for the final step, visit your website. Open a new browser tab and type in your domain name exactly as it appears. Press Enter, and you should see your live website. This is exactly what your visitors will see when they access your domain. Go ahead and click around your live site one more time to make sure everything is working perfectly. And that's it. That's how to publish a website in Hostinger Website Builder. As you can see, the process is very simple. Log in, open the builder, review your design, click Publish, confirm your domain, and check your live site. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.